Dogecoin triumph is a snub of the monetary system. In accounting for Dogecoin phenomenal rise, Mike Novogratz, the CEO of Galaxy Digital, says the middle finger to the system. He added that many people, Millennial and Gen X, have turned to it because they are unhappy with the current financial system. The market of Dogecoin is now $75 billion, which is more than many well-known firms that are titans in their respective industries, including Dell, Capital One, and Nintendo. As a project with no active development or definitive purpose, does Dogecoin's success call into question the validity of cryptocurrency as a whole? Dogecoin on real growth is drawing serious attention. It turned out, investing the stimulus money, totaling $3,200, into Dogecoin at the time of payment would have a return of over $500,000. This astonishing performance has propelled Dogecoin into the fourth spot on market cap. What's more, Binance Coin is in sight for overtake. Given the momentum behind the movement, it would not be a shock if that happened.
Listen, I think we also listen to what Dogecoin is saying. It was the same thing we heard when we saw GameStop. There's a group of young people, a lot of them, that are singing out their voice loud and clear, saying, "Hey, we're going to put our money behind this." There's some nihilism to it. There's some excitement to it, and all of a sudden, we did a report on Dogecoin. Who would have thought, like, Galaxy Digital is doing a report on Dogecoin? But we put a research report out yesterday. And we called it the most honest coin. I got a little heck for the title. There's something really pure about it, right? There's no one developing on it, right? It is literally just a store of value for this group of young millennials and Gen Z. I worry that once the enthusiasm rolls out, there are no developers, there's no institutions coming in. But it's got the moniker of the people's coin right now. And it would be very dangerous to be short, I tell you that much. And whenever I say that, I'm like, damn, I wish I was long. And so I do think, when you think about the whole spirit of what this crypto revolution is, there's something pure in what Dogecoin has done. It's a little bit of a middle finger to the system.
That's my time. Peace.